comma minus y x means x coordinate sign will be changed in y axis mirror image, and x comma minus y minus x comma y minus y. Clear? Now minus 2 comma 5, what is the mirror image? Mirror image in x axis. The given point A, we have to check mirror image in x axis of point A. I have told you, when we see the mirror image in x axis, we have to change the sign of y coordinate in x axis mirror image. So y coordinate 5, so it will be changed in minus 2 comma minus 5. This is the mirror image of a minus 2 comma 5 in x axis. Now 5 comma minus 4, 5 comma minus 5, we have to check the given point 5 comma minus 4. Suppose that 5 comma minus 4. What is the mirror image in y axis? In y axis mirror image we have to know. So I have told you, when we see the mirror image in y axis of any point, we have to change the sign of x coordinate. So it will be minus 5 comma minus 4. You can see in table also 5 comma minus 4. This both should be negative, so here both should be negative. Okay, now minus 3 comma minus 2. What is the mirror image of the given point minus 3 comma minus 2 in y axis? I have told you, in y axis we have to change the sign of x coordinate. So 3 comma minus 2. You can see the table, plus or minus, plus and minus. Now another example, 1 comma minus 5. Okay, so we have to change what is the mirror image of 1 comma minus 5 in y axis. So we have to change the sign of x coordinate. Now minus 1 comma minus 5. These are the mirror image of the points this in y axis. I have told you just now, when we see the mirror image of any point in y axis, we will change the sign of x coordinate. Clear? Now we will see some examples, the mirror image of some points in x axis. In x axis, the mirror image of any point, in that we have to change the sign of y coordinate. Means suppose that minus 5 comma minus 9. The given point is minus 5 comma minus minus 5 comma minus 9. We will have to see the mirror image of minus 5 comma minus 9 in x axis. I told you just now, when we see mirror image of any point in x axis, we will have to change the sign of x coordinate. Okay, so 5 comma minus 9 is the mirror image of this point in x axis. Clear? Now 5 comma 4, we will have to see the mirror image of point 5 comma 4 in x axis. X axis means we will have to change, we had wrong. We will have to change the sign of y coordinate in x axis. Okay, now here 5 comma minus 4. Both are the image of this point and this point in x axis. In x axis we have to change the sign of y coordinate. Okay, so I have changed in 5 comma 4, 5 comma minus 4. It should be changed in negative. Here it should be changed in positive. X coordinate and y coordinate. Okay. Now -3 comma minus 7. Change it. -3 comma 7. It is the mirror image of this point in x-axis. Okay. In x-axis, when we see the mirror image of any point, we will change the sign of y coordinate. Means in this x-axis we have to change y coordinate sign, and this axis means y axis we have to change the sign of x coordinate. Understood? Now check some another examples and try to understand quite carefully. Now, what is the mirror image? What is the mirror image of 3,2 in x-axis and y-axis? Question is that what is the mirror image of point 3,2 is in x-axis and y-axis. We have to check the mirror image of the given point 3,2 in x-axis or y-axis. In x-axis first, x-axis, the mirror image x-axis means we have to change the sign of y coordinate. So 3 comma -2. Clear? We have changed the sign of y coordinate. Positive convert into negative. Now y-axis mirror image of 3,2, we have to change the sign of x coordinate. -3 comma 2. Clear? This is the description of mirror image in both axes, x-axis and y-axis. All have understood? I repeat it again. When we see the mirror image of any point in x-axis, we have to change the sign of y coordinate. Okay. Now when we see the mirror image of any point in y-axis, we have to change the sign of x coordinate. Clear? Now some another examples related to this concept. This is most important for class 9th, 10th and competition exams. What is the mirror image? What is the mirror image of -4 comma -5 comma 7 in y-axis? Now look here. Question is that what is the mirror image of a point A in y-axis? We have to find the mirror image of point A -5 comma 7 in y-axis. Now the mirror image of A -5 comma 7 in y-axis. I have told you, when we see the mirror image in y-axis, we have to change the sign of x coordinate. So its mirror image is 5 comma 7. Clear? Now another question. What is the mirror image? What is the mirror image of point P 7,2 in x axis? Now, what is the mirror image of P 7,2 in x-axis? So I have told you, when we see the mirror image of any point in x-axis, we have to change the sign of y coordinate. So its mirror image is 7, minus 2. Clear? It is simply to solve, to find the mirror image of any point. So now another examples. Suppose that minus 1, minus 2 is a point S. What is the mirror image of this point in x and y coordinate? X coordinate, we have to change the sign of y. In x axis we have to change the sign of y coordinate. So its mirror image in x axis, minus 1, 2. X axis mirror image this is, and y axis mirror image, we have to change the sign of this point in x coordinate, 1, minus 2. So all have understood. I hope all have understood this concept, the mirror image of any point in x axis or y axis. So please do some questions related to this topic, okay, and try to practice at home.